Welcome back to Driverless Journal. Today, we're diving into some fascinating news on the future of transportation. 3 big stories caught my eye this week. A flying car from Xpeng, Tesla's latest full self-driving update, and Waymo's ambitious new AI model. Each one is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible in personal and autonomous transportation. So sit back, enjoy the FSD action, and let's get into it. First up, we've got Xpeng's latest innovation, the land aircraft carrier. Now, you might think the idea of a flying car sounds like pure science fiction, but this vehicle isn't just a concept. Xpeng has actually designed an electric vehicle that combines traditional driving with aerial mobility. It's equipped with a 2-person electric drone that can launch right from the car. Think about it. Imagine you're stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic. You simply launch the drone and take to the skies. This could be a huge deal in cities with major traffic congestion. But here's where things get interesting. This is more than just a luxury toy. Xpeng's vision here is about offering practical, eco-friendly solutions to everyday problems, like traffic jams, by providing an alternative way to commute. Now, the tech behind it is powered by an 800-volt battery system. That's a pretty big deal. High-voltage batteries like this one allow for quicker charging and better energy efficiency, which are crucial for a vehicle that has to power both road driving and short flights. It's one thing to have a car that drives and flies, but to do it sustainably? That's where the land aircraft carrier sets itself apart from other flying car concepts. Of course, with a price tag of around $280,000, this vehicle isn't exactly accessible to everyone. But this is where Xpeng is laying the groundwork for a future where flying cars could become more common. Sure, it's expensive now, but what about in 10 years when economies of scale start bringing down those costs? This could be a crucial first step toward normalizing flying cars in our daily lives. A first step toward affordable flying cars? Only time will tell. Moving on from flying cars to autonomous driving, Tesla has just released an update to its full self-driving software, version 12.5.6.3. And this one is pretty significant because it represents a shift in Tesla's approach to autonomous tech. Instead of multiple systems working together, this update uses a single end-to-end neural network model. In other words, the entire city streets driving system is now powered by one neural network. This shift is huge for Tesla because it represents a move away from traditional rule-based programming to a more flexible AI-driven approach. By relying on one neural network model, Tesla's FSD can theoretically learn, adapt, and improve more holistically. Imagine if each aspect of your car's driving skills, from braking to lane changes, was working as one big team rather than separate units. It creates a more seamless driving experience and means that the system can be updated and improved much faster. This update also comes with a few specific improvements. We're talking vision-based attention monitoring, which helps the car better understand its surroundings and respond accordingly. Lane-changing algorithms have been fine-tuned to make transitions smoother, and speed profiles are adjusted to help the car match real-world driving conditions better. It's all about making the driving experience feel more natural and less robotic. A single neural network for FSD? Tesla's aiming for a seamless AI-powered driving experience. And the timing of this update couldn't be better for Tesla. Their share price has been climbing, and it's clear that investors see this progress as a good sign for the company. Tesla's moving full steam ahead on the business front, so this is another sign that autonomous driving is becoming a central focus for them. Finally, let's talk about Waymo's latest project, an AI model called Emma. Now, if you know anything about the self-driving space, you know that Waymo is Tesla's big rival, and this model shows they're not backing down. Emma is an end-to-end system similar to Tesla's approach, but it has some unique features that set it apart, Emma integrates real-world knowledge, sensor data, and even natural language processing to make decisions. What makes this AI different is its chain of thought reasoning. Essentially, it thinks through complex decisions step by step, which could improve planning efficiency. Imagine being able to analyze different paths in real time and pick the best one, just like a human driver would. That's the kind of thinking Waymo is aiming for here. That said, not everyone's on board with this approach. Some experts have raised concerns about end-to-end models using generative AI for driving, questioning whether they're safe and reliable enough for real-world application. But here's the thing. Waymo isn't just experimenting. They're investing in this heavily. They recently secured $5.6 billion in funding and are building a new factory for next-gen vehicles. This isn't a side project. It's a full-on push to compete with Tesla. Waymo's EMMA model is pushing the boundaries of AI in self-driving. So we've got Waymo and Tesla both betting big on end-to-end models for self-driving tech, but with different takes. Waymo's Emma might have the backing of Google's parent company, Alphabet, but Tesla's been on this path for a while now. It'll be interesting to see who gets there first, and which system proves to be safer and more reliable. Alright, so what's the big takeaway here? Between Xpeng's flying car, Tesla's streamlined FSD, and Waymo's groundbreaking AI model, the future of transportation is looking more sci-fi than ever. Each of these companies is pushing the boundaries in different ways. Xpeng is challenging what a car even is, Tesla is transforming how a car thinks, and Waymo is finding new ways to apply AI to driving decisions. Who do you think will lead the future of transportation? Xpeng, Tesla, or Waymo? Thanks for riding along with me on this drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about these tech breakthroughs. Do you believe in a future of flying cars? Will AI-driven systems take over our roads? Drop your comments below, and until next time, enjoy the ride.